you guys, it's been a minute. We're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to refill your nails at home, honey. You in quarantine, get yourself together, honey. So what we're going to do is start off by, these are the products that I'm using. I'm going to use Prep and Clean Dehydrant, and this is basically to hydrate your nails so that it doesn't suffocate. You're gonna need your acrylic liquid. I use Kiss, whatever you have on hand. You can use it. You can get it from Walmart if they're open. You're gonna need cuticle oil because you want to make sure that the hands look real nice when you finish. You're gonna need your little glass bowl for the acrylic liquid. You're gonna need your no burn primer, and I'm gonna use this by Sassy. It is brush on. You're gonna need your nail glue because, as you can see, honey, I'm missing a whole bunch of nails. We ain't gonna talk about that. And we're gonna use our acrylic powder. I'm gonna use pink, and this is in Sassy. You're gonna need your buffer. You're gonna need your emery boards, your acrylic brushes, and I use a round and flat one. And then these, you guys, they do the job. If you ain't got no drills, this works. So what you're gonna do is take your emery board. You're gonna file down, and basically, at the nail shop, they use the drills, but I like to preserve my nails. I don't like to file on them and chop them all up. So I use the emery board, and these are so hard, you guys. If you get these, you'll know what I'm talking about. These are so hard that it files it down just like the drill. Of course, you're going to have to put your back into it, put your back into it, but it's going to get that job done. So I did do my left hand off camera because I am right-handed. So I'm just going to show you guys here. You're going to take your brush and not get a lot of liquid, but you're going to scrape off some of it on the side. Dip it in your powder and make sure that it gets a bead and it's really wet but not too wet. And you're going to start at the very, very edge, not on your cuticle, but you're going to start maybe a 0.5 millimeters up, if you can understand what I'm saying. 0.5 millimeters up from your cuticle, because you want your cuticle to breathe. And then you're just gonna pat it down gently. You're not gonna brush like you putting on nail polish, but you're gonna pat. You're patting it in, you're patting it down. And don't worry, you guys, this is a refill, so you are gonna see some of the places where I filled underneath the nails, but don't worry, honey, the nails is gonna be looking real nice when I finish. Okay, we don't have a drill, so disclaimer, do not come for me. Don't come for me because I ain't using a drill. I'm not using the drill. I'm using my emery boards or your files, whatever you call it. That's what I'm using to get my nails right in. Honey, they look good and they last, so hey, I ain't got no complaints. Plus, I'm saving coins. And who don't like to save coins, honey? Who does not? But anyways, you guys, back to the nail. I'm just cleaning up around the cuticle, making sure that I have not brushed any product on my cuticle or that anything is sticking together. And if it is, you can kind of gently tug down on your cuticle and it'll loosen everything up, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit more, maybe on another finger, and then I'm gonna speed this thing up so you guys can just watch how I do it. Okay. Okay, you guys, I have finished one hand. As you can see, it looks real nice, honey. I'm gonna go ahead and file these babies down so we can get it a little bit more smooth on the canvas area, and also we're going to file around where your cuticles are to make sure that it's all nice and rounded. Basically just like you would do at the nail shop. They take their little drill and they drill around to make sure that all of the acrylic is off, nowhere near the cuticle line or on your skin, and then they make sure everything is just perfect. So basically that's what I'm gonna do here with my file without the drill. Again, I'm using my file, and you guys, you're gonna need several of these because once you wear down the top layers of the file, it's basically no good anymore. And these are disposable, so it really doesn't matter, you can buy more. But once you wear it down, it doesn't get the job done. And if you don't know, acrylic is really hard. It's kind of like you putting cement on up for a house. It's almost like that for your nails. So I'm just going ahead and reshaping everything, filing down wherever I see fit need to be filed. I'm making sure that I'm basically running my fingers over everything to see if I have a smooth edge or a rugged edge, and if anything is not smooth, then I just go in and file until I get it smooth. So I just let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, both hands are finished, and you see they looking real nice, honey, real nice. So you're gonna take your buffer and just buff over each nail to make sure it's really smooth. And you guys, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, honey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Make sure you thumbs this video up and leave a comment down below if you want to see more, or how I actually start them off without a refill, honey, because I can show you that. Don't forget the cuticle oil, because you're going to need those nails to shine, honey, before you paint them. And voila, baby. Cost-friendly, cost-friendly, efficient refill at home, honey, because you're in quarantine, you want lockdown. Get yourself together. Make sure you, again, share this video with a friend. Until next time.